Alrighty guys, hey listen, we got the new hose made and we just reused the corrugated cover that was over the old one. We just shoved it over the new one. Anyway, we got the new hose, we got the new O-rings, and let's go out there and put this on and fill it up with hydraulic fluid, and I'm gonna give that thing a good blowing off. That thing is filthy. I'm gonna pull around to the front of the shop here and I'm gonna load me probably about 10 gallons of hydraulic fluid. I'm not real sure how many gallons was lost, so I'm just gonna bring more than I need for sure. Alrighty guys, we're out here one more time, and this is going to be a pretty straightforward repair. However, there are a couple of things that you kind of need to know. You always got to replace your O-rings on these flat-faced fittings, and you just take you a pick and dig the old one out. And they'll be stuck down in there pretty good, but they will come out just like that right there. Heat gets these O-rings, so whenever you go to replace them, just replace them with a new one. Don't try to reuse the old one. They just push right down in there. Same with the one that's on the drive pump. Just dig that old O-ring out. Pry it out. Get your new one and you should be good to go. So whenever you go to start your fitting, you want to make sure you start your fitting while it's pretty loose. I mean, you know, make sure everything's not bound up, and just start it by hand, and don't cram it on with a wrench yet. Make sure you can bottom it out. Wiggle it and tighten, wiggle and tighten. Okay, we're finger tight. So let's go ahead and hook up the other one. I'm gonna go ahead and pull. I'm gonna make my hose to conform to these other ones that are here already. So I'm just gonna pull that fitting around, and then we'll tighten it up. That's good right there. Alrighty guys, we need to top off the hydraulic fluid, and as you can tell, it's bone dry now. Here's our dipstick, and once we top it off, we're just gonna put it to the top hash mark right here. I'm gonna pour about half this jug in here just as a starting point. Try to do it without making a mess. Kind of use your cap as a flow gauge. Alrighty guys, it didn't quite take 5 gallons, about 4 gallons. As you can tell, we are perfect. Give everything a wipe down, get everything brake cleaned off real good. The worst thing you can do is have your customer call and complain that you got a little oil on his machine. Right now, we had to take petty cash out to get that hose.
How much was the hose?
It was 70.
Yeah. Where are you finding stuff like that? Did you have to go to?
We went to right there off of Riverfront in downtown. There's a.
Is it a Toro place?
No, it was just
a car parts place.
No, it was a hose making place. They went hydraulic hose place.
Perfect.
Yeah. So I should be able to make any hose on that machine.
Perfect. So they just make it for you.
Yeah.
That's great.
I mean, if you were
trying to find one's ridiculous.
Yeah, if you were to try to order that from Toro,
yeah.
It would take a month. Alrighty, guys, we got that Toro going one more time. And hey, if this content made your day, let me know in the comments and hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you'll get all my new notifications. Y'all have a good rest of your week. More Medic One. Have a good one.